back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, I'm really excited because we are going to be doing a good old-fashioned shop with me plus a haul. Obviously, everything is gonna be home decor, home centered. I'm very, very excited about this. We're gonna go to a bunch of different stores, see what we can see what home decor goodies are out there. This video is gonna be perfect depending on when you watch this. If you've already gotten like maybe a Christmas gift card, maybe some Christmas cash, and you're like, what do I spend it on? I'm gonna be spending mine so we can spend it together. So hopefully this can give you some inspiration. Hopefully it's just something fun for you to watch around the holidays. And yeah, if that sounds like something you're interested in, you wanna go shopping with me, see what I get in store, then please just keep on watching.
Okay guys, first up, Anthropology. I love this store so much. They have the cutest things, so I know we're gonna find some good stuff. So let's go. Okay, you guys, so the first thing I noticed was that Anthropology had a bunch of candle accessories, candle holders, actual candles that were on sale. I thought these kind of sculptural like heads would be really cute planters, and I just really like these. I think they're different. I think they're really cool. They're like this matte black color. Briella and Rob like them as well. I think they're just awesome. So if you need something to go on like your centerpiece, I feel like this would be a really good option. Anthropology honestly just has the most unique and different things. I just love how everything is made. I love the quality of all their items, and they just kind of have like a little quirky touch to them almost, and I think it's just really cool. Like, look at this little house. It's a candle. It's like a little gingerbread house but a candle. Again, just like a little quirky touch. I thought this section here with the kitchen items would be really nice if you were giving a gift to like a hostess, or you know, maybe someone in your life who just bought a new home. I thought these items would be really, really nice. You could get some of those cookie cutters, maybe get a candle and then a cookbook, and I think that would be a really cute gift and something they could actually use. I really like this cheese board. It's technically a cheese board, but I just think it's a really cool like decorative piece, especially with these gold teaspoons. I thought it was just so cute. Look how cute this is, but there's only one. Of course. You guys, run. This pot right here, I'm going back and I'm getting this pot because I think that's just so cute. And look at the little one, like that's adorable. But they also had like a smaller pot with that same, like, I don't know if it's paper mache or plaster or what, but I just think it's really, really cute as like a vase, a decorative object. Put like stems inside or just leave it as is. And I did not know that they had so many coffee table books. I really like these over here, obviously, because they're neutral. You know how I am. But I think these would make a really nice gift as well. And then, okay, you see me looking at this like pot thing. I couldn't figure out what it is. I read on the tag that you put flowers in there. So you put flowers actually through the hole and you fill the bottom with water and it keeps your bouquet fresh. And then I just have the cutest little shopping buddy ever right here. Look at her. Next up, of course, my favorite store, Home Goods. Is it even a shopping trip if we don't go here, Rob? No. I think not. No. You guys, this mirror, I cannot wait to share this when we get home, but oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's an Anthropology dupe. I was hyped. Okay, and then of course, a shopping trip is not a shopping trip unless we go to Target. We had to hit up Target. I saw this really cute, like Sherpa inspired pillow. I thought it was really nice. If it had two, I probably would have gotten it. And then I really like this end table. It's simple. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, these chairs, I've seen chairs like these all over Pinterest, all over Instagram. I think they're really, really nice, but here's an affordable option. Random turkey, don't need her. But if you do, I mean, Target has it. I'm not here to judge, but I really like these chairs. These look very high end to me. And then this lamp I thought was really cool. Might go back and get that. These bookends. I really like the marbling in this. I've been looking at these for like months. Like, I'm like, should I get them? I don't know. Honestly, anything Studio McGee is like a win. I thought this wreath was really cool. And that ribbon is super trendy. Like, I saw that so much this season. Okay, I really wanted to get this bar set, but one was missing. Like, really, Target? How could you? And then, of course, had to hit up Hobby Lobby. I really like this vase right here, this kind of like smoked glass vase. I love the dark color. I'm really trying to incorporate more black, more pops of black. This wall art, so chic. I feel like this would be a really good DIY as well, but if you didn't want to DIY it, you could just get 2 of those, put it up on a wall. Like, I think it would be so cute and modern. And here is another wall art option that I thought was really cool, very different, very trendy with the arches. I just really like this design style. And then more of these mirrors. You guys, if you were looking for a black Anthropology inspired mirror, Hobby Lobby is the place to go. They had so many different options that were really cute. And then I never go in this section, but I went to the hardware just to see. And you guys, hold on, this moment is so funny. Rob was not with me shopping. He randomly showed up here because I told him I was there. He found me in the aisle and scared me. I'll just say that. He scared me so bad. But anyway, back to the hardware. Really, really cute options. Cute wall art. I mean, you can't go wrong. Hobby Lobby has like some gems, honestly.
Okay, you guys, so it is actually a couple days later. I have a ton of stuff to show you in this haul. I have a little friend visiting too. Briella, say hey. Say hey. Hey. As you could tell in some of the clips, she was my little shopping buddy. Her and Rob were with me, so she's gonna help out with the haul too. So let's start with Anthropology because we found really, really good stuff in that store. So let's start there. Okay, so first things first, I'm wearing one of the items. I got this really, really cute headband. I thought it was super festive and the hair accessories were on sale, so I just had to get this. And then I also got this cute little hat. These are the only like fashion-y items. The rest is home decor, but I just thought this was so cute. It's like a little like Parisian style hat. I don't know, I just thought this was adorable. Oh, and there it goes. Oh, okay, actually I take that back. And then I also got these earmuffs right here, which I think is just so cute. They're like glitzy, it's got little rhinestones. This is just so me right here. Like, it just screams Cara, and I love this. It's so cute. Okay, so I ended up getting this vase. There was a larger one and then obviously one this size. I think this is just so cute. Honestly, I want to go back and get the larger one and kind of have like a set of these because I think they're just beautiful. I love how handmade, and would you call this like not paper mache, but like plaster sort of? I don't know, but I just think this is really cute. Yes, I know, but go show grandma. Okay, so next I had to get these candlesticks. I just love this gold. This is my new favorite gold. Like, I feel like long gone are the days of like the shiny gold. I mean, it depends. That's still cute, but this gold right here, this more like aged bronze brassy color, I think is just so cute. Very like antique inspired, and I just love this. Next up, moving on to Target. I ended up getting this really, really long, huge, what is this even called? Tray. It's a tray. I got this tray and I think this is just so nice. I was picturing putting this underneath our TV in our bedroom on top of the dresser. I feel like it's big enough. I feel like it would fit the space perfectly, and then I could put like a candle on here, some decorative objects. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe some of those like garland beads things. I just think this would be really, really cute. I really like this. Okay, you guys, I think it's official. I think I literally have an addiction to vases like this. I think these are just so cute. They fit any little corner, any little surface. I feel like it looks really, really nice. You could obviously put like stems in this or leave it alone. I just think this is a great decorative object. If you need something large and in charge, this is definitely the one to get. I'm excited about this. It kind of looks handmade too. Like, it's a different type of like ceramic material, and I just really like it. Okay, and then also from Target, I got these mugs. I love these mugs. I'm really trying to incorporate more black into my home decor, like different like black accents, and I just really like these mugs. I think they're cute. I've really been into tea lately, so we already had 2. I just wanted to get 2 more to kind of complete the set. Okay, you guys, and next up from Target, I'm not gonna go through like every single one of these, but I got a bunch of different storage bins and baskets and containers. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know, if you saw my stories, that I completely cleaned out the workout room closet. You guys, I didn't even really show the before because it was just way too embarrassing. I could not even step foot in that closet. It was way too cluttered. So I decided to clean it out. That really inspired me, and now I want to clean out and organize every single closet in the house. So let me know if I should include that in a home update or is that the boring stuff. But I got a whole bunch of these bins right here. They're like the fabric bins from Target. I plan on incorporating these. Really wanted to do it like budget friendly. And then I also got, I mean, you can see here, like these like plastic black bins. I can't even get it out, you guys. We'll deal with that. This is a Rob job. He'll deal with that later. And then I got some white ones as well. I just wanted it to be chic and aesthetic, so I went with just black and white. And then over here I got some baskets. I thought the black and the white and sort of like this like tan woven one would be really nice in the closet. So I got a couple of these baskets. They were only $10, so I thought that was a good deal. And then the last type of storage basket that I got are these right here. It's just kind of like a woven plasticky material. So I thought these would be really, really cute at the bottom of the closet to put like paper towels in, maybe toilet paper, or maybe like towels, something bigger that we need to store. Okay, next up from Target, I got this table runner. I'm just thinking for Christmas dinner or just like family gatherings just in general in the dining room, like fancier dinners. I wanted to get a table runner. Of course, it's like neutral, creamy, like ivory color, but I really like this. I think this is gonna look nice. And then to go along with it, I got 6 of these placemats. I thought this would be really, really pretty. I could even do like a really cute like centerpiece moment with these candlesticks, maybe like some little Christmas trees that I have around the house to make sort of like an arrangement in the center of the table. And I just really, really like these two together. Again, very neutral, pops of black. I'm telling you, going into the new year, you're gonna see a lot of pops of black on my channel. This is random and this is very Christmassy, and like, why would you get this? Christmas is like in a couple of days, depending on when you watch this, it might have already happened. But I saw Lone Fox. I don't know if you watch him on YouTube, Drew from Lone Fox. He did a really, really cool DIY with these dollar spot Christmas trees. I think Briella wants one. Here you go, Brie, go ahead. Well, there goes that. Luckily, I've got 2 more. So the plan is to spray paint these and make them look a little bit more vintagey. Does that sound good? Does that sound like a good DIY? I can always use these next year, obviously, so this would be cute. Okay, and this is the last thing from Target that I got. This, what are we calling this? This kind of like glass decorative vase, bowl, object type thing. I thought this would look really, really nice. If you just need that third object, like I just thought this would be really, really cute. You all know we're making over my mama's house. House number 2 is my mom's house if you haven't seen the recent updates. But if I can't find a spot for it, it's so cute. I can definitely use it in my mom's house since we're pretty much redoing the whole house. Okay, you guys, and moving on to Hobby Lobby. Most of the stuff that I got from Hobby Lobby is for Christmas dinner, for the table, centerpiece, napkins, really, really cute things to make the table like look and feel Christmas cozy. And the first thing I got are these napkins. I thought these would be really cute. So if you remember, we had this table runner with this placemat, and then I thought these napkins would look really, really cute. They come with silver napkin rings. However, I saw these napkin rings that I thought would be so cute. They have gold on the inside, they're black on the outside, and I just thought this would be a really, really cute moment just for like a cute little like picture or Instagram moment. We always do holidays very casual, very like low-key and small, but I just wanted to make it special and do a little something. Do a little something, something. And then I also got these little like name card holders. Grandma, like over here. My mom's over there like, ooh, fancy. So we're gonna get fancy this year. So I just thought this would be really, really cute. I don't know, and welcoming, and it's the little thing. Okay, and it's last minute, so when we got there, they only had 3, or no, I think they might have had like 4 of these. They didn't have an even amount of what we needed. So I got a mix of these little Christmas trees too. I thought it would be cute and kind of like eclectic on the table to have like mix match. Plus they just didn't have enough. So I think this is gonna turn out really, really cute. I like these. Okay, you guys, and the next thing I think is really going to surprise you. I did not think that I would be showing this or showing an item that's gonna go in this particular room, and that is this clock for the man cave. Can you believe believe it. I feel like that room has been neglected since we moved in, but this clock, Rob saw it, he really, really liked this, and I think it's really cool too. It's really industrial and like kind of manly in a way. I don't know, it reminds me of something that Rob would have in his room, and obviously he's going to, and I just think it's gonna look so nice up against the black walls that are already in that room, and just having this really cool industrial clock in there. I just think it's awesome, and I really like it. Rob really liked it too, and I was really proud of him, so yay Rob, you got a clock. Okay you guys, and the last thing is actually on this bench. I'm gonna insert some clips because I don't want to mess it up. Like, I love it so much, I don't even want to run the risk of picking it up and accidentally dropping it. But you guys, this mirror, you saw me pick it out at HomeGoods. It is so beautiful. I love the black color. I love the floral detailing up at the top. I think it's gonna look beautiful. It looks just like the CB2 mantle mirror that I have on the other side of the fireplace, except it obviously has like the florals around it. But I feel like this is a really good dupe. Definitely go and check your local HomeGoods. They might have this or something very, very similar. It was the only one there, and I was like, I have to have this. So I'm definitely going to be replacing the mantle mirror that we have now with this black one. I think it's just so pretty. I love how now both sides of the mantle are gonna look similar. So yeah, I really, really like it. I think it's pretty. So glad I found that. So glad I didn't have to go through the drama of ordering another one, because you guys know I was like this emoji close to ordering another CB2 mantle and crossing my fingers that it didn't arrive cracked. So yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it. That's everything that I bought this time around going shopping. You all know I love a good haul. I love to go shopping. So this was a lot of fun for me. If you enjoyed this video, let me know if I should do more shop with me videos. I can definitely do that. But yeah, you guys, I really hope you all have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I was gonna say Happy New Year's, but we got another video before the year's up. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload, and all of my home decor goodies, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.